What's up, everybody? This your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, and turn motivation into means. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. Alright, now, like I've been telling you guys before, beware of all those fake Telegram and Instagram pages out there. Any King Hussle page on Telegram, that's not me. Any I Can Do Magic 12 page on Instagram, that's not me. Any Black Hat Jones page on Instagram, that's not me. And if you talking to a Clearwater 77 on Instagram, on Telegram, that is not me. All right, the only way you can do business with me is if you verify yourself through Instagram. Once you verify yourself and make payment, you will get my Telegram chat link. All right, so you can follow me on Instagram, but you cannot write me. The only way you can do business with me, if you follow the directions, send those screenshots of your Cash App or Bitcoin payment being on your balance to my Instagram. Once you do with your video verification, we're going to go from there, all right? And before y'all keep sending y'all money to these people, please get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face, make sure you're doing legit business, and you getting what you paid for, all right? That's the easiest way to go. And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything, so let's get this thing started. So, today, I know everybody out here trying to get this bag. I know everybody out here trying to become wealthy. I know everybody trying to change the way of their life. Everybody wants to be successful and wealthy and rich. But a lot of people out there, they want to do the least as much as possible to get the most as possible, right? And it's people out there that actually want to put in the time and the grind and the hard work and the effort to actually building themselves up, building their business up, getting the knowledge so they can become successful in life. Because if you work smarter and not harder, you can do whatever you want to do, make money and have fun just like you see everybody else doing. All right, so what I want to get you guys to understand, what I want to get everybody out there to understand, that if you really want to go for the big bag, if you really want to go for the major bucks, the big funds, the millions of dollars and loans and lending and credit cards and lines of credit, you have to do it on the business side. No one is getting $1 million personal loans. Nobody's getting $1 million bad credit loan, personal loans, none of that. Everybody who you see getting this money, getting major loans, big loans, is done on the business side. Why? Because it takes money to make money, and that's what business loans is for, to you to make money off of it and pay them back their money. When it comes to the personal side, all the funds that are being loaned to you or lent to you is for emergency purposes only. That's why it's a utilization rate. So anybody out there that want to get major loans, $50,000 no doc loans and $100,000 no doc loans and easy $1 million loans, it will be done on the business side. Now, I got over 600 videos literally telling you guys how to get your business started, how to get your credit together so you can start being your own personal guarantor when it comes to the business funding. Now, I need you guys to understand, when you start your LLC and get your EIN number, your business is a new entity. It's like a whole new person, but it's a whole new business. So you go, your EIN number is your business social security number. You're gonna get your DUNS number, you get your NAV account, you're gonna get all these things. You're gonna build it up just like you would build up your personal credit. Now, if you know the business credit game, if you know the credit game, period, you will be able to finesse it within 30 to 45 days and get major funding, because it's a lot of different things that if you knew and you knew how to do it the right way, it can go perfect. So boom, let me give you guys an example. I made a video about credit card stacking, right? So once you get a business, the LLC, your business going, you know what you want to do, you got a blueprint, you know how you're going to get it running, how you're going to start getting funding, how you're going to start marketing your consumers, things like that, right? So boom, you get your LLC, you get your EIN number, you get your Dun & Bradstreet, you get your NAV account, you get all these things, you get your business established, you get your email, your 411 national directory, you get all these things that you need. You get your virtual address, you have everything you need to establish your business. Now you're starting to get you a paydex score, right? Boom. So once you start generating you a paydex score, a paynet score, a business credit score, you're going to start credit card stacking. Now, if you know anything about credit, you know that certain bureaus, certain credit cards report to only certain bureaus. So you got Equifax, you got Experian, you got TransUnion on the business side. So you can get up to four credit cards on each. So you find you all the business credit cards that's only going to report to Experian. You get 3 to 4 right there. You can find you all the credit cards, the business credit cards that's only going to report to TransUnion. You got 3 to 4 right there. Then you find another 3 to 4 that's going to report to you got TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. So you get 3 to 4 for all of them. You can get up to $250,000, if not more or less, just off credit cards that fast. Boom, just with an EIN number. Boom, personal guarantors. Now a lot of people start businesses, and a lot of people need loans, and they ask for a personal guarantor, right? And sometimes people use themselves as a personal guarantor, right? So boom, how can you use yourself as a personal guarantor to get major funds ASAP? Like I told you before, on your personal side, go to Experian.com, get you an Experian account, pay $25 a month so you can know your personal credit, your TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax. Once you know your FICOs, you can see what's going on. You can clean up your credit by freezing all 3 of your FICOs. Once you freeze them, then dispute everything under those FICOs that's in the collections. Once you freeze them, you dispute them, and the collection agencies go to check the accuracy of those accounts, and they can't get in. They have no choice but to delete them off your credit. It takes 15 days to start seeing drop-offs off your credit. Once you start seeing the drop-offs off your credit, then you want to go add those trade lines. Like I said, creditstrong.com will allow you to get up to $42,500 in trade lines and revolving credit, things like that. And Credit Strong will allow you to help you build your business credit with the same trade lines and things like that. So it goes either way. Boom, now you got the trade lines on your personal side, $42,500. Then you go to get your credit cards, your AUs, your credit card accounts. Boom, those are AU accounts, authorized users. Boom, which means you're going to piggyback off them. So you go on trade line supply, and you get you a card or two. You're supposed to have at least 5 on your credit report. Boom, you get you 3 cards on your report that's reflecting up to 20. One for $10,000, another one for $20,000, another one for $25,000. That's what? $60,000 in credit cards you got reporting on your credit report. That just reporting, as long as they make pay their bills on time, is going to reflect on yours too. Same way, exceptional payment. So now you got $60,000 in credit cards being reported on your personal, and you got $42,500. That's $100,000 you got being reported on your personal credit with exceptional payment history, because those payments that you're paying on your Credit Strong is going to come out your account monthly, your bank account, and those accounts that your credit cards, the AUs, is going to report every month until it falls off. You got 3 months, up to 90 days, depending on which ones you got. So that's how you're going to use yourself as a personal guarantor. You're going to let that marinate. See, it's all a finesse. As long as you know credit, as long as you know the credit game, you will be okay. The rich get rich because they know credit. They know how to build their credit, piggyback off people with good credit, get loans, take that loan, invest it into whatever they want to do, make money, pay that loan back, and continue to do the process and get higher and bigger loans. And once they do whatever they feel they need to do with that business, they max it out, file bankruptcy, and do it all over again. See, that's the finesse with business, and that's what a lot of people don't understand. You're supposed to build a business to sell it. Some people build business to, depending on how things are going, to create a generational wealth thing, which is perfectly fine. But some businesses are created to sell. So always keep that in mind. Don't just worry about one thing, worry about multiple things, because you find multiple things, 10 hustles that can make you $10,000 each profit each month. That's $100,000, and you do that consistently for a year straight. That's $1.2 million. You got $1.2 million in the bank. You don't think you can get you a $500,000 loan? It's a lot of ways for you to finesse these banks. Go open up a personal bank account if you don't have one. If you got an LLC and EIN number and you don't got you a business bank account, go open up a business bank account, checking the savings, go put some money in there. Start building a relationship with these banks, these smaller banks, these credit unions, these local banks in your state, in your city, because those are going to be the ones that's going to be easier for you to get the money, get the loans, because they want to build a relationship with you. Everything is relationship based. So you might not have the credit score that they're looking for, but they see that you've been depositing money, you've been putting more money in than what's coming out. They will work with you because of the relationship that you have. So anybody out there looking to finesse their LLC within 30 to 45 days, 100K plus or more, follow these steps, because they will help you get funded in 30 to 45 days, easy $100,000 or more, maybe a little bit less, but you will have more money than what you had before, and you won't have to worry about a utilization rate, and you can pay the money back on time or before the deadline with no penalty, and it'll look good on your business credit. So if y'all want to really start getting this money, start paying attention to the business. We're going to start creating LLCs, getting our EINs, and we're going to start building up this business credit and running up these bands with this business. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in, make sure y'all really paying attention, because it's a lot of ways to make money off your business. It also goes off if your business is established the right way. It also goes off what your business is. You always got to pay attention to that. How much will it take for my business to get going? How much funding do I need for my business to get established? Some businesses need more than the others, so always pay attention to what field you're going to put your business in, because some businesses need more than other, and some will get funded more because of the field that they're in. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in, man. Shout out to all my new fans, old fans, subscribers, new subscribers, supporters, old and new, because without y'all there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going, y'all motivate me keep dropping the sauce, and y'all motivate me keep y'all entertained. All right, so shout out to my real King Hussle fans. Also, anybody out there looking to get their credit lessons, you want to learn how to build your credit, clean your credit, get loans, lines of credit, business, all business credit, or get all that together, lessons is going to be $600. All right, so $600, I'm going to teach you how to do all that. Also, anybody out there looking to get basic lessons, you want to learn one topic, any one topic that you want to learn, it's going to be $600, Cash App, a Bitcoin payment. And if you want unlimited gems, it's going to be $1,200, Cash App, a Bitcoin payment. You're going to learn about credit, how to clean it, how to build it, how to establish it. You're going to learn about the CPNs. You're going to learn how to make passive income. I'm going to teach you how to make thousands of dollars a day on social media. I'm going to send you my method book, 10 methods, cash cow methods in that book, and teach you about a little bit other things that you might want to know. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in with unlimited gems. Once you get them unlimited gems, I guarantee you're going to learn a lot of information. You're going to be making money that night, that day, that instant. All right, so tap in with the unlimited gems. Also, anybody out there still looking for people for the production company, still looking for actors, rappers, models, singers, producers, cameraman, all that. Let's get this ball rolling. Let's get the show going. Any talented people out there, don't waste your talent. Get serious and let's make this money together. I'm trying to look for as many people as I can and really put in a position to become millionaires. I really want to see people win. I really want to have fun. I really want to help people grow and elevate at the same time, right? So any rappers, any singers out there, music reviews is $200. You don't got $200 to invest in yourself. Why should I invest $200,000 plus into you and your career? Make it make sense. Any beautiful ladies out there, any models out there that's ready to travel, ready to get their brand and their platform off the ground, ready to get seen. We're going to do a lot of traveling, a lot of skits, blogs, interaction with the fans, music videos. We're going to be doing a lot that's going to be behind the camera. Reaction videos, YouTube, a lot of content. So if you got a good head on your shoulders, tap in. You can't be corrected, you can't be directed. I don't got time for bad attitudes or weird stuff, none of that. All right, I'm not perfect. I don't know everything, but I know a little bit about a lot. We can definitely rub shoulders and, make it make sense. All right, teamwork make the dream work. All right, so beautiful ladies, tap in. Any cameraman out there that can travel, that got good editing skills, good masking skills, tap in. Let's get this money, more content. It was views equal money. Easy as that. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in. And anybody out there looking to learn how to make $10,000 a day, a week, all profit, tap in. Method $300, Cash App, a Bitcoin payment. Don't miss out on that. And y'all know how I get down to the end of these videos. I'll see you at the next. Peace.